Neuropathy is a medical condition that affects the nerves, causing numbness, tingling, weakness, and pain, often in the hands and feet. It can be caused by various factors such as diabetes, injury, infections, autoimmune diseases, and exposure to toxins. Although there is no cure for neuropathy, incorporating certain vitamins into your diet can help in repairing the damaged nerves and reducing symptoms. Be sure to watch until the end because there are a few that I think will surprise you. So if you are ready, let's get into it. The top 9 vitamins that can help repair your nerves. 1. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B1 is essential for proper nerve function. It plays a crucial role in converting glucose into energy, which is necessary for the normal functioning of nerves. Thiamine deficiency can lead to peripheral neuropathy, a condition in which the peripheral nerves are damaged. 2. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is necessary for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. It has been found to be effective in reducing neuropathic pain, especially in individuals with diabetes. 3. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is critical for the normal functioning of the nervous system. It helps maintain the myelin sheath, the protective coating that covers nerve fibers, and is involved in the production of nerve cells. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to peripheral neuropathy, especially in older adults. 4. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect nerve fibers from damage caused by free radicals. It also helps in the production of collagen, a protein that is important for the maintenance of the myelin sheath. 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that helps protect nerve fibers from damage caused by free radicals. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce inflammation and pain in neuropathic individuals. 6. Folate, vitamin B9. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is necessary for the proper functioning of the nervous system. It helps in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to the nerves, and also helps in the production of neurotransmitters. 7. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fatty acids that play a crucial role in nerve function. They help in the formation of the myelin sheath and also reduce inflammation. 8. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is a naturally occurring antioxidant that has been found to have potential benefits for individuals with neuropathy. ALA is thought to help improve nerve function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage nerve fibers. Some studies have found that ALA supplementation can reduce symptoms of neuropathy, such as numbness, tingling, and burning sensations, in individuals with diabetic neuropathy. Nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast that is often used as a food supplement due to its high nutrient content, including B vitamins. While there is some evidence to suggest that vitamin B supplementation may help improve symptoms of neuropathy, it is not clear whether consuming nutritional yeast specifically would have a significant effect on neuropathy. Causes of nerve damage. There are many reasons that can cause nerve damage, including physical injury, illnesses, vitamin deficiencies, toxins, infections, autoimmune disorders, genetics. Lifestyle tips to repair nerves. Here are some lifestyle tips that may help repair nerves. Exercise regularly. Eat a healthy diet. Avoid alcohol and drugs. Manage chronic conditions. Stop smoking. Maintain a healthy weight.